Is your toilet looking like this and you don't know how to get rid of this? Well, watch to the end as I will show you how to get rid of stains in toilet. I am Renee if you're new here, and I share home related videos each week. So first off, this is a rental property for a landlord. I'm here cleaning and stuff, so I tried my oven cleaner that I always use. So that didn't work, as you can see. You can see it remove it just a little. So the next thing I try is soap and bleach. So I had some soap and bleach into the toilet again, and now I'm brushing it out, and I realized it's still not removing. So guess what? I'm just going to head to the supermarket and it's a remove rust and mineral stains. Oh, nothing is at the back. So well, it's a rinse brush after use for stubborn stains. So I'm back at the house again. So now the direction said I should squeeze it in the rim and leave it for 15 minutes. So I'm just going to squeeze it here, leave it for 15 minutes and see what happens next. So I waited about 10 minutes and this is what it's looking like now. So it seems as if it's working. This really is a wonder. So let me try putting some more in it again and see what it looks like. Alright, so I waited about 5 minutes more and this is what it looks like. So this toilet bowl cleaner really works. If you have stubborn stain toilets, use this Landher brand cleaner. It works. I'm Renee again. I share home related videos. Subscribe if you'd love to see more videos like this.